Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a soup from broccoli. This is a very nutritious recipe, yet simple and tasty. But try this recipe at home and please share your comments. So this broccoli soup is very good for people who are dieting or generally people who prefer healthy food. And it's very good for diabetes patients. The broccoli has good amount of protein which helps you to control your diabetes. It's also very good for pregnant women. It's good for people who work out, who do yoga, who regularly exercises and all that. So generally we have this at the restaurant. So let's see how to make this soup at home with the ingredients that are available. Let's see the ingredients that is required to make this soup. Broccoli, one number, cut into pieces. Carrot, one chopped. Onions, one chopped. I've taken the white onions. Finely chopped garlic, 2 spoons. I've taken 10 to 15 garlic pods. Few coriander leaves. I've crushed 1 spoon of black pepper. 1 spoon of salt. And 1 spoon of oil. Heat a pan and add 1 spoon of oil to this. So you can take any vegetable oil, or you can also use your olive oil. Once the oil is hot, add garlic to this. So the garlic should be finely chopped. So this garlic would give a nice flavor to your soup, and the garlic is actually a very good you know uh, uh, ingredient, herbal ingredient, for various curing various health issues. Now I'm adding the white onions, the chopped white onions. In case you don't have white onions, you can add the regular onions, or you can also add the spring onions if you have them. So saute the onions well till it is cooked and it looks transparent. So let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, otherwise you will get the raw flavor of onions in your soup. So I'm not adding ginger to this because the ginger and broccoli together, when they mix, the taste of the soup would change. So I'm not adding ginger to this, and I'm just adding garlic. So now the onions are almost fried, and now I'm going to add carrots to this, the finely chopped carrots. Started well, maybe for a minute, till this is a little cooked before we add the broccoli. So broccoli generally gets cooked within 2 to 3 minutes. You should not cook broccoli for a long time. Hence, I'm not making it in a pressure cooker. So, since it takes a lesser time to cook broccoli, you'll have to cook your onions and carrots before you add the broccoli. So now I'm adding the broccoli to this. Just sort it well before we add the water. So I'm not going to add any corn flour or any starch, vegetable starch to this, because I mentioned that this is a healthy ingredient, so I don't want to add anything artificial. So we'll make this soup thick and nice, like in a restaurant style, with these ingredients only, without adding anything else as a thickening agent. So now the broccoli is sorted well, and now we are going to add water to this. So for this one number of broccoli, I've taken 4 glasses of water. So before you add the water to this, the raw flavor of the broccoli has to go. So hence, cooking it for a minute is good. Now I'm adding water to this. As I mentioned, 4 glasses of water you're going to add to this mixture. Give it a gentle stir. And now we are going to cover this with the lid and let it boil for about 2 minutes. You see it is boiling, and it's been like 2 minutes now. I'm going to open the lid. You see the broccoli has almost got cooked, and it's very visible. Yeah, but your soup is little watery. So, you like your soup a little thick and in a soupy consistency, right? So, we'll see how we make it thick. So, I've added a spoon of salt to this, and now I'm going to add pepper powder to this. So, I've crushed 1 spoon of pepper and I'm adding to this. In case you like the flavor of saunf, you can add, quarter teaspoon of saunf also, along with the pepper, and you can crush them and you can add to this. But I'm adding only pepper powder to this now. So let the raw flavor of pepper go. And now I'm going to take 2 to 3 ladles of this mixture, just the mixture without the water, in a mixer. I'm not going to grind the entire contents, just I'm taking 3 ladles of this mixture. Now I'm going to grind this to a fine paste, and then going to add them to this. See, it's a fine paste now. I'm going to add it back to this soup. So this way your soup would get a good flavor of the vegetables. Instead of adding the vegetable stock, you can use this right away, and also it will give a good thick texture to your soup without adding corn flour or any thickening agent. So hence I suggest that you take a little from this mixture and then grind it and add it back to this. So which will give you the natural taste of broccoli. See, after grinding and adding the mixture, see the soup is really looking nice as it boils. So it will give you a nice creamy texture when you have this soup. So this is very, very healthy for pregnant women as well as people with diabetes. For kids, it is really good for growing kids with for healthy bone formations and all that. Broccoli is really a good a vegetable. So you generally don't get it in the market frequently, but you get it in these supermarkets. So as and when you go to a supermarket, maybe once a week, you can get broccoli and try this soup, which is really healthy. So almost done. So I'm adding coriander leaves finally to garnish. Just give it a stir. See, it's almost got thick. It was very watery. Now it's become thick. Now transfer it to a serving bowl, and it is good to serve. So you will have to have the soup hot, and if you make it a little cold, it will become a little thicker. So hot serve this soup. It looks delicious, and also it will taste really good. Try this soup and you will definitely like it. Please drop in your comments how did it turn out, and for more healthy recipes, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you back in the roof kitchen with more recipes. Thank you.